Okay. So yesterday we started working on with actually what how to read and write from the Excel sheets over there. So for that, yesterday we saw the how we need to add the jar files to the project. Then after that, what are the precautions that need to be do for the Excel? We have to actually what save the workbook with .xlsx format, and then there actually what we have to give the file type as Excel workbook. Otherwise, if we have 2010 format, we have to go for that. Okay, otherwise, better to go with Excel workbook. It will work for everything. Then next, actually, what which are the cells actually what we are going to work? We have to give it as format the cells we have to give. So all those things when we give, we will be able to interact with the Excel sheet. Correct? Yesterday we saw actually what how to get the row count. So there were some issues on that actually what I was getting null pointer exception. So how I resolved that thing means nothing. So simple. I did not do anything extra there. The simple thing what I did means I just closed that Excel sheet. The Excel sheet which was opened, I just closed it. That's what I did. Apart from that, nothing I did. See here. So to get the row count, so first actually what I'm using file input stream. So file input stream class, I need to give the location where my Excel sheet is present. This is my Excel sheet. Let me go there. Let me take the Excel sheet information. I'll open this. Okay, first time when I saved it as save as. Then here I give it as learning.xlsx. Then after that, the type I have choose Excel workbook because I have only 97 to 2003 template only, the older format. So that's why I choose Excel workbook and then I saved it. Okay. Then these are the cells I'm going to work on it. So I will choose these cells, then right click, format cells. Then I choose text here. Okay. Then I clicked on OK. Okay. That's what I did over here. Got it? So these are the important things that we need to do when we want to work on with Excel sheet. Then so here I'm trying to get the information of my Excel workbook. So for that file input stream, so here I need to give actually what the location of my workbook. Okay, with extension is important. Okay, so I need to give that. Then this will create a backend copy for me. Then the next thing is actually what workbook factory.create. So it creates actually what the workbook. Okay, the backend copy. Then I'm storing it under the workbook interface. So this will have the control of the workbook now. Then, so the thing is actually what we got the control of the entire workbook. Okay, we got it. Then in that there are 3 sheets. I need the control of 1 sheet alone. Okay, because we can interact with 1 sheet at a time. So I'm giving workbook. So the workbook has the entire information. In that, get the sheet employees. Okay. So what is that right now here? Employees is the sheet name. Sorry. Okay. Employees is the sheet name here. So there are 3 sheets. So make sure it's case sensitive. So give properly the sheet name here. Then next actually what? I'm storing it under the sheet interface. Got it? So then now in this sheet, I'm going to get the last row number because these will be the active cells, right? Because I choose these also my active cells. So this will be my active cell. This will be my last row. So yes dot get last row number. What it will do, it will get me my last row number. Otherwise I can see. Or I can just give row count. That is a good, perfect way to use the variable name. Get me the row count. Okay. So whenever I want to run this, I will make sure I will close this Excel sheet. I have closed it. Then after that, right click, run as. See, it gives me 6. So what is that 6 over here means? If we are seeing my row count, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, what's happening is the row count it gets actually what as per index location 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? That's what it will get me. The same as like actually what arrays how it will get over there. The same thing actually what we are going to get over here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the row count is 6 for me as per index location it gives me. Then I need to get the column count. How many column? So in arrays actually what we'll do, we will get any one row information. Based on that we will get the column count. Correct? So we will get a row information and for that specific row get the column count. So usually we'll go with the header row. Okay, here also we are going to try with the same. So for that, let me close this. Int column count is equal to, so here what I'm going to do, get the sheet yes dot get, sorry, get row will be there. Yeah, okay, get row, then I'll say 0th row. Okay, then get last cell number. Got it? So what we're doing, yes dot get row of 0, so it gets the 0th row. In that get last cell number. Okay, so now for that what's going to print? 3 is the column count. So in arrays also same thing. Column count will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so same thing. It gets me the row count and column count. Understood? Any questions for anyone on getting on identifying how to get the row count and column count? Any questions for anyone?
Murli?
Yes. Yes, Prajni.
This row count, it will count from 0, right?
Row count as per index location 0. This is as per index location.
But column, it is normal count.
Is numbering. Correct. It's numbering.
Oh.
Got it right?
Yes.
Cool. So next, so we have seen how to get the row count. Now we will see the other things. So I will just open. So I want you guys to help me on this. Okay. So, okay. Here I have written some things. So I want you guys to do. So I will comment this. I will take this time. Okay, so now this time actually what I'm locating a different file. So I'm there under actually what the third project. So in this location, I have my Excel workbook.xlsx. So where I'll just go to that place. Read, right. Murli laptop, demo workspace. Okay, I have deleted that. Good, no worries. I'll give this one only. Nothing. I just deleted that sheet. That's why. Okay. So I located the file over here. Okay. So I want someone to explain me this. Can anyone help me on explaining this? Just now we have seen small things actually. What if you're able to identify? We will see. Otherwise, I will help you. I'll ask anyone. Hey, hi, Arpita. Oh, yeah, yes, Devdata. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so here we create file input stream phase, new file input stream,
Yes.
then workbook WB. So we create an object
No.
and
First line, what we are doing.
okay, first line we're going to the location of that file.
Correct. We are trying to locate the file.
Locate the file.
Yes.
So yeah, now we use the object created from there, and we create a workgroup WB using FIS.
Correct. So
Now,
this is the place the backend copy is being created. So
yeah,
how it gets actually what which file to be created means. So the FIS captures the location of the file that I'm
yes,
giving here.
yeah. So, so now we'll use that workgroup WB to find a sheet. So
Correct.
we could take a sheet as using WB.getSheet 0. I think it shows the sheet, which sheet we want to check, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
So
So as per the index.
yes, as per the index location. So there are three sheets. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay,
Yeah.
one I can give the sheet name. The other way is actually what I can give as per the sheet index location also.
Just like get row 0, we can also use get sheet at the index value.
Correct. So, but which is the perfect way to use this? So wb.getSheet and then give the sheet name.
Sheet name.
The
Yeah.
reason begin why means so simple. Now, if I move this actually what this sheet to this place. Now,
Move it
what
to
is
the
the location, index location now? It will be
1.
1.
1.
But when I denote it with help of the name of the sheet, wherever I move, it does not care. Perfectly, it identifies the sheet based on the name of the sheet only.
Yeah.
Correct? That's why getting as per the sheet name is always best, not as per the index location. We should not go with this. Good. Yes. Then next.
Now we will print the so wb.getSheet index. So this sheet index of this sheet name employees.
Correct. So
So
what is the sheet index name?
it is 0, right?
Correct.
So
It is 0. Yes. Right now it's there under 0.
so it will print 0 in there.
Yes. Good. Hey, good man. Thanks, man. Good. Thanks, Devidata. So now, hey, hi, Arpita. Do you like to try for the next one?
Yeah.
Hey, great. Super. Thank you. Now, can you tell me wb.getSheet of 0? What this will do?
This will give the 0 at the
Correct.
first one, right?
Yes.
It will be the first one.
Correct. It denotes the 0th index
0
location sheet.
Yes.
That's what employee sheet.
Employee.
Super. So what is the output of this one? We will see because I'm giving it at a system.out.println, right? We will see this.
Yes.
Get sheet at. So here means it gives me the sheet information. That's what. Okay. Right?
Okay.
So we will see what is that output. Yes. Now what this will do?
In row count, we'll get the last row.
Last number. So can you tell me what will be the output for this?
Null.
No. So yes dot get last row number. So in the yes, I have stored actually the 0th index sheet. That is my employee sheet.
Okay.
Correct. So in the employee sheet, get the last row number. That's what it is, because yes holds the employee sheet information. Correct.
Right.
So in the employee sheet, what is the last row number here?
Actually, I didn't get that point.
So right now for us, I need to get the last row number for the sheet. Okay. So if I come here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
So these are all the active cells right now. So there are still other rows, but we are not going to use them. Which are the things we have formatted? Right click, format cells. And to the text right, those will be my active cells. Correct? So here, row number always it goes as via index location. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Got it? 6 will be the row number, last row number of it. That shows here. Got it?
Okay.
Now, can you tell me what we are doing here?
Here we are giving the row 0. I mean first row,
Yes.
and then we are giving last cell number. Last cell.
So get row of 0 means what is that?
Saket. This.
No. Get row of 0th index. Which is the 0th index here?
This first one.
Yes, this is the 0th index.
So
here, get the last cell number.
This is last cell number is company.
Correct. So what is the count of it?
Okay, 0, 2.
No. So column count always goes by a numbering. 1, 2, 3. Row will be index.
0.
Column will be actually what? Numbering.
Number. Yeah.
So this will hold me 3.
3.
Got it? Good.
Yeah.
Super. So now let me run this. We will see it. Right click. Run as Java application. For me right now, the first one, get sheet index of employees. So employees is there under which sheet we saw? 0th index.
0.
That's what 0. Then here wb.get sheet of 0. So what this will do for me? It will get me the address location of the sheet. Okay. Yes dot get last row number is what? My last row number is 6. Because as per index location. Then s dot get row of 0 dot get last cell number, that will give me 3 as per numbering. Got it? Then I'm closing the object, this object, that's it. Okay. So here anyway no need, because why means anyway the last line after that we will be closing that connection only. So in real-time industry, always after using it, close the object, unnecessary object information.
Yeah.
Good. Any questions, guys, for anyone on this?
Murli?
Yes.
That line number 22, get sheet at 0.
Yes.
So here as per this code will get location.
No. This will get me the address location of the 0th index location sheet.
I did not get that.
No, 0th index location sheet is what? Employee sheet.
Yes.
Okay. So this employee sheet actually what? Address location which is stored in the Java. That we will get it.
Okay.
Got it? That's what. It's just address location over there.
Okay.
Okay, and I cannot say address location also. I can say the content location. That's the thing. Okay. That's the thing. It's not going to give the name of the sheet and all those things. Okay. So then finally, last row number, get the last cell number. That's it. Understood, guys? So next, reading from the Excel sheet. So for the reading from the Excel sheet, I will give you a 5 minutes of time. I just want you guys to go through this. So I want you guys to go through this. Then after that, actually, what? Give me the what is it? I'll give you 5 minutes. Then based on this, you can say me here. So I will just copy this and then I'll put here. Okay. So this is my sheet thing. So after that, there were another two. These two things were there. So you guys actually what help me on this. So as of now for this one, for my convenient, I'll put it here. Okay.
Murli,
Yes.
why is this file input stream? Why is it used and file output? Like, can you tell me difference again?
No, I will tell that one later. As of now, go this. Get just understand and tell me what is that will be my output. Okay, I want everyone. So if you, I want everyone to ping me in the chat window. Okay, separately, privately to me. What is the answer for this? Okay, everyone privately give me the answer for this. Then after that, I will explain you. Okay, 8-5. We will again connect. I want output from everyone. Thanks, guys. Hello. I guess. Anyone able to do it? Cool. Okay. Okay. Some of them are able to do it. Okay, let me try it. So first, it's going to locate me the Excel sheet wherever it is present. Yes, learning.excel sheet, it locates. Then I'm creating a backend copy of that. So I got the file location here. So it creates a backend copy. Then I'm getting the sheet, which is employees. Okay, that is what locates the sheet. Then next, okay, I want someone to help me. Hey, hi Sandeep, can you help me on this? Sanket? Hey, hi Tony, you there? Tony, you there?
Yeah, Tony's here.
Hey, hi Tony. Can you help me here? So from the beginning, what
Right.
the
So, okay, it tells you the source of the codes.
yes
Where it's
source
going to get
where my
from.
Excel sheet is present. Yes.
Right. And then it's going to create a backend copy and a workbook factory.
Yes.
And then it's going to go to the worksheet to get the worksheet name employee.
Super. Yes.
So when you go to the Excel file, you get the employee sheet saved there. And
Yes.
then you go to row. So it gets the row number when you go to the Excel.
Yes.
And then it's going to start from 1, 2, 3, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Super. It starts with index location 0, 1,
Right.
2,
2,
3, 4.
which is our resheet.
Yes, correct.
Okay, and then it goes back to, it's going to read the cell. So cell goes from 1, 2, 3, and so on.
So cell column count level, it goes 1, 2, 3. But when you're reading it over there, so arrays also when we are going to read information from rows and columns, we'll start with index location 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Columns also 0, 1, 2, 3. So here also 0, 1, 2, 3. So
3, right.
do we have anything 0, 1, 2, 3? Do we have this as active cell?
So 3 will be an empty cell.
Yes. So that will give me null pointer exception here because we don't have any information here.
Right.
Got it? Super. Let me run this. First, we will see the error. So I'll just close this first. See? It gives me actually what? Null pointer exception. Why? Because in the third cell, we don't have anything there. Got it? That's why it gives me null pointer exception in that place. Got it, right? So now let me change it to 1. So now that is an active cell for me. Correct? So now let me run this. Okay. Okay, let me first run this, then we will see again. BA it's giving. So we'll go and see whether it's correct. So what we are giving means fourth row, first cell. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1. It's BA. Yes, we got that BA here. That's what I'm printing here. Got it? A good Tony, super, good man. So now I'm printing that information. So now actually what I have got that cell information. Right now is actually what not of any data type which supports by Java. I want to store it in a variable in Java means I need to convert that to a string variable. So usually we'll convert, so we can convert to integer and then double all those things. But usually the preferred one standard practice is always convert that information to a string. Okay, cell dot get string cell value. So what will happen? The value which is read is what BA that I'm trying to convert to a string value. Then I'm storing it under a string variable. Then again I'm printing it cell value. Got it? Anyone has any questions, guys, so far? Anyone has any questions so far? Understood it? The first one was a null pointer exception error. Now actually what I changed it to 1, so it reads the value 1. Can everyone ping me as yes if you're able to understand how to read from the file, how to get the row count from the file? Can anyone tell me? Can everyone ping me as yes if you have understood it so far? Good. So next we will see how to write from the file, write into the file. So the same information I'm locating. So Jayesh, you asked the question, right? And now I can answer that. The difference between file input stream and file output stream. Okay, good. So now, once again, I'm asking, guys. Actually, what? Don't think bad. I'm asking the same information once again. So it's like just to make sure. Then more number of times, actually, what you get to talk about the same information, it gets registered to you. It might be boring, I know that, but actually I just want to make sure it get registered to your mind. So I'll ask someone, hey, hi, Jagdish, can you explain?
Yes, Murli.
Yeah, can you explain from the line
So,
number 20?
Yeah, we are creating an object, FIS.
Yes, so what this will do?
So that is picking up project location,
Correct.
file location.
Locate me the file. That's
and
what.
And we are creating a backup.
Yes, a backend copy.
Backend copy, and storing. So we are getting the sheet employees and storing it to a string sheet.
Correct. So this is going to locate me the employee sheet in that.
Employee sheet.
So that sheet information, I get this here.
Yes.
Then.
And we are getting a row.
Third, that is get row 3. That means which will be
4.
0, 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Yeah, right.
Super. Then
and we are creating a cell
1.
1.
So 1 means which will locate?
That is name itself.
So 0, 1.
Yeah, 0, 1 programmer.
Yes, correct. Okay. So what does this create cell here means? So right now I'm going to write into the Excel sheet. Correct?
Yes.
So when we want to write it, I need to create a new cell there. Okay, in the backend copy level, it's like creating a new cell. Then only I can write it. I cannot write directly. So that's what I'm giving your information. On the third row, on the first column, I'm going to write. Okay. So for that, I'm creating the cell. Then after that, now what we are doing it here, can you read it completely?
So you're mentioning that shell should be a string.
Correct. The cell type, it should accept string value.
String values.
Yes, correct. Then?
And you're setting a value at 26 Jan 2018.
Correct. So this is the place where I'm going to write in the backend copy 26 Jan 2018, which is a string, because we are saying it should accept string.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Good. Thanks, Jagdish.
Yeah.
So I'll ask. Hi, Meena.
Hi, Murli. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you tell me what will happen here? 33rd line.
33rd. FOS is equal to new file output stream. It will take the location. It will take the file from this particular location.
Correct. It's going to locate me the file learning.xlsx. Yes, correct.
Yeah. In that file, FOS, FOS.
Correct.
In that
So
file, we are going to write the values.
correct. So what does that mean? So still now whatever we have done here, it's done in the backend copy. Correct.
Yeah.
Now we are going to do it over there in the original copy. So for that, file output stream will help me actually what to do that action.
Okay.
Got it? So
Yeah.
that's what this one is kind of, it's like actually what we have seen to read and write in the text file, right? Flush command, what it will do, will push everything, whatever is there in the backend copy will push to the original file, correct?
Yeah.
Same concept is this one.
But at the top, you didn't declare any object as FOS. Yeah, FOS is here.
Yes.
And we are going to write in the particular file.
Correct. Right now, this is the only thing which I have written that we are going to push it here.
26 Jan 2018 will be written in the particular file path.
Correct.
And then we are closing the file.
Correct.
And FIS, the backend copy also getting closed by FIS.close.
Everything we are closing here.
Closing the file.
Yes.
What will the system.out.println will be printed?
Just Excel file written. Simply, I'm just printing in the console.
Okay.
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 Good. So now let me write it, run it. Hey, good. Thanks, Bina.
Okay.
So now we have executed it. Now I'll open the original file. We'll see whether it has written our information. Yes, it has written. Before it was actually about programmer, right? Now it has changed to 26 Jan 2018. Got it? So the main need of actually what formatting is also actually what related for the date also. You can see here. Now I will write something saying 26 Jan 2018. Can you see? It became as 26 Jan 18. I have written 2018. Same thing when I click here, can you see 1/26 2018? It's applying actually what? The Excel formula here. But the same thing when I type it over here, see, these are the formatted cells, right? See, 26-Jan-2018. Now can you see? Whatever I have written there, that will be present. Got it? So that means the Excel cannot apply its formulas once it is formatted to text here. That's why we will format it. Understood, please? So the formatting is also needed to make sure actually what Excel will not apply its formulas. So whatever we send it, that should be stored there. That's the main thing. Got it? This is about to get the row count, get the column count, read from an Excel sheet, write from an Excel sheet. That's it. Clear? Everyone clear, guys, so far? Okay. So with this, we are completing with actually what with our Selenium. So from Monday onwards, we will be starting with Selenium IDE. Then we will jump on with XPath, CSS, all those things. Okay. Clear, guys? So I want everyone to actually what go through this. We will see one by one. Okay. Cool, guys. So I'm gonna give an assignment also. So I'll be passing you one assignment. So I just want you guys to try that. So all the Java related assignments I'll be forwarding you. So whenever you're free, actually what you guys actually what try all those things one by one. So one assignment. So you have one Excel sheet here. Okay. Then you have another one more empty Excel sheet. So whatever information which is present here, you have to copy it over there in the another Excel sheet. So read from one Excel sheet and then write it over there into the another Excel sheet. Okay, so why I'm giving this exercise means, so you will understand the need of file input stream and file output stream whenever you're working on with export two multiple files. Okay, so that's the need. So make sure you guys actually what utilize it properly. Okay, cool guys. Read from one Excel sheet and then write all the contents to the another Excel sheet. That's the thing. Okay. Okay, thanks guys. So with this, I'll stop for today. So tomorrow we will again continue. Monday again. So overall, actually, what want to continue with Selenium. So you guys can make the rest of the payment over there, because from Monday onwards we are starting with the Selenium. So Java is completed now. Okay. So who want to continue with Selenium, you can make the remaining payment there. Okay. And please also send me the screenshot once the payment is done to me. Okay. Send me in WhatsApp or in Gmail or anything is okay. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thank you.